Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing the new Samsung watch. This is Samsung Galaxy Ultra and this is 47 titanic blue color watch, and I will be showing you what is the feature of this watch and how cool is the watch. And also, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and in the end of the video I will be showing you, don't go for any Google search and buy the cheaper watch. There is some international models available online, so don't get fooled and buy the local store model, because there are certain feature which you will be missing in the international model. And I will be showing you first how cool is this watch. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is my Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let me show you how cool is the watch. So this is my new watch. Let's see. And this is the packing for this watch, and let me show you. And this is the 47 watch. So I think I need to charge the battery. So this is 47 and plus this is the band they have provided, blue color. So this is the band. Let me show you. See, this is the band and this is the watch, and there must be some charging cable. I will be charging this one watch first. So this was pretty much inside the box. As you can see, this is my watch strap and watch was here. And let me show you here. So let me show you what they have provided. And this is the magnetic charger they have provided, and this is my watch. So you have to attach type C wall adapter, or you can charge with your computer also. I have attached the vands, and you can see that. So this is the watch. So I have to charge first, and then I can show you how cool is the watch. So I have to say the watch is detected. I have to say connect. So now the app will be pairing to my new watch. So Galaxy wearable, and so you have to say start, click start. So this is the agreement we need to see. You can just click that, and then you have to select continue. See, it is asking to allow, so we need to allow that, and allow to send messages. So now it is preparing the watch. For the first time we have to do all this exercise. Again, some terms and condition, just scroll down and go down, and then you say I agree. See, it is asking which app you want on your watch. So some of the apps they are suggesting. It is again asking some of the permissions, so you have to just say allow, next. So it is asking your varying preference. So few people wear in the left hand or few in the right hand. So it is hand is also already selected. You can select left or right, and then you can say next. So text size, which one you want, it is a size whichever you want, like you can increase the size whatever, and then you can click next. See, like this, and again next. Understand your sleep for better rest, again say next, and then again next, and get help in emergency, next. So set up a mobile plan, because this is a LTE watch, so you don't need to carry the phone, so you can skip that for the moment. And it is now finishing up the setting up. See, now this is the face for the watch, and I will be showing you. It is starting here. It is nearly finished. So you can start a tour of your watch. So let's say start, and this is the beautiful watch face, as you can see, and this is the face on the app. So you can select that. So this is the dial, so you can make the phone call. See, like this one, and go back, and this is the heart. So when you wear that, it will saying allow Samsung health monitor. You can say allow. So it is all set up now. So this is my beautiful watch, and this is from the back. You can accept the call, and see, you can answer the call, and you can turn on the speaker. Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
See, now I will be discussing about the different kind of watches. Samsung Galaxy Ultra, you have to be very careful when you are buying the watch, and don't do the mistake of selecting the watch with the cheaper price, because it is international model and some of the features are not available in Australia, because the watch is in a different region, different functions. So if you are in Australia buying the watch, then you have to be very, very careful. So let me show you first. So on this, I am on the Australian popular website JB Hi-Fi. So it is showing me the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra few models. As you can see, 2024 model is for 649, whereas 2025 model it is on special currently. So it is 1299 AUD, but now it is on a very special offer, $844. So that is quite a big saving of $455. So now let me show you the comparison first between 2024 and 2025 model. So I am comparing these two watches. If you see that, so the website, you can get a comparison also. If you see, and if you highlight here, show difference, and if you go down, so it is bigger difference is the memory. So in the 2024 model it is 32 gig of memory, whereas it is 62 gig. And then there are other few feature like wireless charging, type is Q1, and that is WPC wireless charging, and that is not a much difference, so that is, even if you find a better deal on the 2024 model, then you can go ahead, but otherwise I suggest you go for 2025 model. And let me talk about the detailed feature for this product. So we will be on this is another big store in Sydney, the Good Guys. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 Blue LTE model. LTE model mean you don't need to carry the phone. You can get a eSIM plan. and that way you can receive the phone, call the phone, receive the text message, send the text message, every function you can do on the watch. And that is quite a good feature. Only thing is you have to get a eSIM plan, so that is the one thing. And then it is a 47 mm size, which is quite a big size. So you can see the product feature: ultra performance, ultra adventure, and this is a waterproof also up to certain depth, and ultra design. So it is quite a like a rugged model, and ultra intelligent. It has a Galaxy AI also, and advanced tracking. So it means it keep a track of your activity, plus Samsung Health. So you can monitor blood pressure, heartbeat, those kind of things. So it will be very, very helpful. And you can see some of the information from Samsung they have provided. So processor, storage, battery, materials. So they have provided everything here. So you can see the detail on this website. I will be giving you the link in my description. And also if you see like it comes with the 2 years of warranty, so which is quite a good thing. And as I was telling you, connection, it is you can use the Bluetooth or cellular plus Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and eSIM also, and it use 4G network. And this is the thing. And what you can get in the box, it is watch, wireless charger, quick start guide. So you have to attach the band with the watch, because face is separate and the watch is separate. You have to attach that. So this is the feature. Now I was telling you what you are missing if you are buying an international model. So if you are searching on the Google, I will show you here. I searched the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I got quite a few different stores with the different prices. So let's say Woolworths, Bunnings, and Big W. These are the quite a big stores in Australia. But the problem is they are not selling themselves. They have provided a marketplace which means they are inviting the third parties to sell on their platform. So warranty will be international warranty. That is the first thing. And secondly, if you go, let's say I'm on the Big W website, they clearly mention Big W market, and you go down, and I will show you what you will miss in this model. So Samsung Pay will not work. So see this one, they clearly mention it is an international model. And Samsung Health Monitor app, that is also not supported. For example, blood pressure monitor. So why you will buy such a costly watch if those features are not supported? So I suggest you don't fall in trap. Just look for the right time, right price in the Australian stores. Then you can buy this watch. So that is the good thing. See, even this is the Bunnings, and they are also mentioning the same thing. Samsung Pay will not work, only Google Pay will work. Samsung Health Monitor app not supported. So these are the quite a bigger things, So between Australian model and this international models, this is a quite a big difference. Don't waste the money simply going for a catchy price of $600 or something. Go for any other local Australian store where you can buy Australian stock, because that watch is made for the Australian region. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.